In this video, you learn how to connect ChatGPT with Canva. So let's get started. First off, you have to navigate to the left bar and click on GPTs. Right here, you have to look for Canva. Right now, you can also see it here at the bottom at Featured, but if it's not there, you can just type Canva in, and there's a lot of fake ones as well, but you have to choose the one up top. Then click on it and click on Start Chat. And right now you can ask Canva within ChatGPT a question. So let's just pick this one, highlight my favorite hiking trail in a Facebook post. And now it's asking me to add some details. So let's do that. Make it very simple. And right now it will say talking to connector. And what you'll have to do right now is click on confirm. And then it'll say talking to ChatGPT plugin.canva.com. Now we'll have to wait a little bit. And here it will say, here are 2 simple and peaceful Facebook post designs to highlight your favorite hiking trail. So right now it pulled a design from Canva, and within ChatGPT it made those 2 options. So that's how you connect Canva with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.